Hi, I'm Michael Klein. I'm part of Accenture's blockchain and Web3 practice focused on decentralized technologies and how we bring those technologies to the largest enterprises in the world. I'm excited to be part of Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust and really look forward to the future and what it will bring. By being a member in the Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust, we have the opportunity to participate with other leaders in the industry who are creating the next wave of technology and being ahead of the market in terms of knowing what new innovations are coming. This allows us to be relevant to our clients and also allows us to deliver solutions for them in a way that is differentiated from not participating. We really love the Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust community. It is one of the warmest welcoming communities and really does focus on how we invite others in and invite everyone to contribute. Always looking for diversity. That could be geographic, that could be ethnic, that could be any type of diversity, and really wanting to hear a wide range of voices. We are trying to build the next generation of the internet, the next generation of what the technology world can look like, and we need to do that with a diverse set of maintainers and contributors and users in mind.